We go to other news now. The family of Patrick Perry, the man who died after being severely beaten at the Buff Bay Police Lockup in Portland, is this evening demanding answers. They say they've yet to receive information on the circumstances which led to his death. Anthony Lugg reports.
A community in mourning.
And look how them beat him boy in a Buff Bay jail. So not now come out of here. All the people that were beat him, not now go come out of here. Eh? We want justice, Patrick can't dead so.
These residents are boiling with anger over the circumstances which led to the death of their colleague Patrick Perry. Mr. Perry died after he was beaten while in police custody at the Buff Bay Police Station. TVJ News understands that he was severely injured and was taken to the Onoto Bay Hospital, but was later transported to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he succumbed to his injuries. Family members are incensed.
This cannot go unpunished. Somebody has to be held responsible for my nephew's death, because you can't tell me that you have arrested somebody and you arrest him Friday night, Saturday morning him injure and him go to hospital, and from one hospital to the next hospital, and nobody can tell you. Nobody don't get no lockup feet. Nobody no say as inmate beat him. Nobody no say him in an altercation with police. Nobody no say anything.
The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, has since launched a probe into the incident. It remains unclear how long the investigation will last. Commissioner Hugh Faulkner spoke with our news center.
In matters regarding the death of persons in custody of the state, the INDICOM team interviews law enforcement personnel in addition to persons in custody, canvass for CCTV or any digital footage, collect any forensic material available, attend the postmortem examination, and utilize material from the postmortem report to help inform its findings.
Back in the Long Bay community where Mr. Perry resided, residents are furious because they say he was remanded after it was reported he issued a threat following a dispute over family property.
Just come dead in a jail, all because I see him property where him not for that, no time him name for that courthouse seat because I feel him thing.
We want justice. Because in wicked, the whole district are mourn.
Right.
The whole district are mourn. If you go down the road and ask, I see anything them I go tell you. You don't have nothing bad to say about Patrick.
As the community mourns Mr. Perry's death, the family insists they'll not let up until justice is served.
It not end so. It cannot end so. Somebody has to be held responsible. This is wickedness and something needs to be done.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.